3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you're encountering the content not accessible error while trying to join a game on Roblox using your iPhone or Android, here's how you can resolve it quickly. This issue typically arises when your content maturity settings are too restrictive. To fix it, start by opening the Roblox app and going to the home screen. From there, tap on More in the bottom menu, scroll down and select Settings. Within the Settings menu, choose Privacy. Under Privacy, locate the Content Maturity option. You'll see a toggle slider. Move it to the right to allow access to less restricted games, adjusting it as far as you're comfortable. Once you've updated the setting, return to the game you wanted to play. You should now see a play button instead of a lock, and the game will be accessible. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips.